Thuong and her grandmother check the tools to prepare for the rainy season. The little girl learns how to protect the crops and harvest what she can before the rain arrives. The whole group works together to ensure everything is safely protected. Thuong and her friends plant new trees in the garden. She happily watches as the young trees are carefully planted, and she eagerly anticipates the upcoming harvest seasons. These tasks help her understand the growth process of plants. One day, Thuong meets a new baby horse born on the farm. The little girl curiously spends time playing and getting to know the foal. These moments help her understand the care and love that animals need. Thuong and her friends start planning for a big event on the farm, where everyone will participate in fun games and activities. She helps come up with ideas, from designing the games to preparing the special dishes made with farm produce. After a long day, Thuong and her family sit outside, chatting and gazing at the starry sky. This is a precious time when Thuong feels the warmth and connection within her family. She feels happy and grateful for everything she has,